Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix mouse wheel not scrolling on Windows PC or laptop. Open Registry Editor with administrative privileges. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand control panel, click desktop. Open wheel scroll chars, change value data to 3. Open wheel scroll lines, change value data to 3. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.